Swaddy Cup, I'm the Legend of Israel, and today we're going to do a review on the Twin Specials 16-ounce gloves. So stay tuned. All right, so have the gloves here, and like I've said before on other glove reviews, when it comes to me just reviewing gloves, I just want to know how they feel. I want to know how they feel when I put my hand in. I want to know if there's any discomfort, and I also want to know how it feels when I hit a heavy bag. So I don't really go over material, stitching, and get into details about it. So let's see how I feel. Twin Specials are popular back east. It's not like when I got into Muay Thai, I was like, I gotta get me a pair of twins, you know what I mean? So these are 16-ounce. My hands are large with hand wraps. So right off the bat, they're a bit different. Okay, so I would say they feel light around the knuckle area, but they feel heavy around the wrist area. But I believe it's because of the extra padding they have here. So right here on these gloves, they have a padding that goes right here on the side. And I could see that this padding would be great if I was blocking kicks, kind of like in a, I don't know, like kind of like that. But I don't know. They feel pretty snug. The thumbs feel okay. I don't feel like my thumb skin is gonna be peeling off. Some gloves are really tight around there. Piping feels decent. I don't really feel any wrist play, so that's good. Their design, which is mainly just, this flap here, and then right here you can see where the cutoff is. I don't think it really makes a difference. I don't know, right? I'm not too crazy about it, but it's not bad. I have worn worse. So, so let's go ahead and hit the heavy bag, see how they feel. So, trying to hit hard. I do hit hard, but I'm trying to really see what I feel with these gloves. I don't feel any issues with the knuckles, the fingers. I don't feel any major issues with the thumbs. But what I do feel, besides the heaviness, because it really feels like there's weight here on the bottoms, and like I said, it's got to be because of these paddings. But other than that, as I was doing a hook to the body on the right side, I kind of noticed that maybe, I don't know, there was some kind of, almost like if I continue to do it, I'm gonna jack up the top of my wrist on the bottom portion of it. Let's see here, like right in that area, right here. So as I was going in at an angle, or just doing like right here, it almost felt like, I don't know. I'm not crazy about these gloves. I've worn some great gloves before. They're not bad, but from my point of view, I don't believe I would spend my money on these, at least these version of gloves. If somebody was gonna say, yo, I got some gloves for you, here they are, 60 bucks. Even at 60 bucks, I don't think I'd cop them. Yeah, They're not dangerous, gonna injure your hand or nothing, but I'm just saying, I'm not gonna let any of my friends or students wear them. I'll be like, yeah, no. You're better off wearing some Venom Elites, even though those are beginner gloves. If you have the money to throw away, take your chance. You know, this could be just this glove. It could be just this manufacturing or this version of glove, but yeah. You know, if you were looking to make a purchase, hopefully my insight can help save you money, or at least you know what kind of issue I ran into. Anyways, like and subscribe, and as always, cop 'em cop.